might be the shortest Facebook Live on record.
The shortest?
All right, so we are going to pull this off, cut off a piece here, because I forgot to do that before. Are you giggling at my cutting abilities?
No, I just read a funny joke.
You're not supposed to be reading funny jokes when we can't see what you're reading.
Well, I wondered if you wanted me to read it to you.
Well, please.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
There are 5 cows on a farm, 1 mama cow and 4 baby calves. The first baby walks up to the mom and asks, "Mama, why is my name Rose?" The mommy cow replies, "Well, honey, a rose petal fell on your head when you were born." The next calf comes up and asks, "Mama, why is my name Lily?" The mother replies, "Because, honey, a lily petal fell on your head when you were born." The third baby comes up and asks, "Mama, why is my name Daisy?" "Well, when you were born, a daisy petal fell on your head." And the final baby walks over and says, "Duh, duh, 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 duh." And the mama cow says, "Shut up, Cinderblock."
Oh, that's awful.
It's kind of funny.
It is kind of funny, but it's kind of awful at the same time. Okay, so I did change my bobbin thread at this point, as well as my the top thread. I'm going to do, and I added the back fabric, and why can I not get this in there? Thank you. So I put a backing on here now. We're going to finish this up. This is just simply a mug rug. It does not have any ribbon to hold it up. It does not have a little tassel for pretty. It just has
a little mug
a
rug.
little mug rug. There is one mug rug, there is one design a size larger than this, but I thought this was the perfect size for a mug rug. So there are 3 sizes of the witchy, plus the one for the towel, and that witchy does not have a spider on her. I don't know why, but she didn't. Oh yeah,
Too big of a design? Too big of design?
Well, no, because it was smaller, but it was for a towel.
Huh.
I thought it was kind of strange, but I thought, whatever. Oh, it doesn't have the outside edge around it. That's why. Well, darn. All right, let's trim off the backing. And I used 2 layers of wash away. I would always use 2 layers, but it even called for 2 layers.
Why do the French eat snails?
I'm afraid to answer that one.
They don't like fast food.
Okay, then. Have you ever eaten chocolate-covered snails?
Nope.
Nor have I. There's just something wrong with that picture, I think.
I agree with you.
So now this is going to be the longest stitch out. It's a 7-minute stitch out. Do you have more jokes, or is there something else we can find?
I'm sure I can find one.
Hi, I'm actually just here with, we're going around with Sliceworks, passing out some samples. You guys interested in a couple little slices at all?
That might be.
Sliceworks.
Yeah, some
Pizza.
Sliceworks, passing out some snacks. Would you like one? I got a few different flavors here. Let's see.
Oh, Matt, you have to get 4, one for each of us.
Vodka or white vodka? Yeah, of course. Awesome.
That's not the one I expected him to want to try.
There you
Sure,
go.
man, that's the guy in the back.
Oh gosh, heck yeah, yeah.
All right.
You ladies are good. Would you like one at all?
Sure, just pick something.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Hey, Steve. Steve. Yeah, guys, here.
We're getting free pizza slices, guys. Samples.
Heck yeah, I'll just go ahead and toss it right there.
Thank
for
you.
Thank you very much.
All right, so we're just going to do that finishing edge.
Who's coming?
All right. That's all you gotta say is free pizza.
That's right, free pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza, pizza. So it's going to go around here with a loose zigzag first, and then do a satin stitch.
Thank you. Take care. Yeah, have a good rest of the day.
This might be kind of cool to do it in a navy fabric, and then make witchy white.
Witchy white.
Witchy white. Yeah.
You want another joke?
Yeah. Another joke. would be
A lady comes home from the doctor's appointment, grinning from ear to ear. Her husband asks, "Why are you so happy?" The wife says, "The doctor told me that for a 45-year-old woman, I have the breasts of an 18-year-old.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah? Quipped her husband. What did he say about your 45-year-old ass? She said, "Your name never came up in the conversation."
Oh. This is a good one indeed, indeed. Do you need two hands to search with? Or are you okay? I can hold the phone for a second if you need two hands. She is so good. She can select jokes with one thumb and one finger on her little tablet. Too much Halloween partying yesterday.
Maybe. We had Miko's first Halloween party yesterday.
Is it his last?
No.
No.
I love doing it.
Now, does Lily get a Halloween party also?
Yep, this Sunday.
You don't do them together?
Well, this is Miko's first Halloween party ever, because we didn't do it while he was in Purple Moon. And we've only done it for Lily since we've lived in our new house.
Is Steve taking that? or-
No, I'm taking
Oh.
pull the trick up. Miko loved it.
He did. And I think just like seeing him with his friends run around and like they're playing, like that alone in itself is
Yeah.
what makes it worth it. But I did try, I made these little spider cookies
them
out
with
of
the
the Oreos.
Oh.
And I tried to get the kids involved with making them, and they were like, no, we want to go play.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, well, I guess I'll make these.
Did you just stick the pretzels in the frosting
Yeah.
between? Yeah. They were really cute.
And then I put a little bit of frosting on the cookie to put the eyeballs.
Yeah. You are quite the mama when it comes to party. You're the party.
I'm the party mama.
Party mama.
I enjoy it.
It's fun.
Lily's is more work though, and I mean as they get older, I think it is because their interests change.
So what are you doing for Lil?
Well, for Miko, we had just one of those like coloring sheets that covers the entire table, and then we got some wood shapes. There was like a cat, a haunted house, a ghost, and other things and they came with like three little things of paint, and you could choose like pinks, white, and yellow, or black, orange, and purple. And then they painted those, and then they took those home with them. But for Lily, we are doing one crafty thing, and theirs is like a 3D type thing for Halloween. It makes it look like a 3D pumpkin. And then we are going to do the cups. So for the cups, I go to the dollar store.
Yeah.
And I get a trifold poster board and I decorate it. And then I
Thanks, Matt.
hot glue styrofoam cups that I've preloaded with little goodies. Then I put like a little tissue paper on there, and then I draw a little ghost face on the tissue paper. Hot glue those all over the board, and then they have to shoot them with a Nerf gun, and then if they shoot a hole in it, they get what's inside the cup. That's what we did last year.
But what are you doing this year?
I'm gonna do the same thing, but the cups are gonna be decorated differently, I think.
Okay. I'm surprised you don't have to come up with something new. Mama Bear?
They loved it.
Okay.
So much so, I helped a friend of ours that Lily used to go to the old gym with. He was going through a divorce, and so we were all helping and pitching in to like throw the girls' birthday party. And when I asked them what they wanted to do, they were like, the shooting game! The shooting game with the cups!
Okay, that works.
Nancy says, for Lily, you could make or buy sugar cookie dough, roll it out for the girls, and let them draw around their hand and decorate them with icing for rings. That's pretty cute.
That is cute.
That is really cute. Susan, we are working on a project that is a free pattern from Kreative Kiwi. If you go to the events calendar under today's date, there's a link that will take you to get the free design. This is the largest. And then Val also did it on a tea towel, but she sized it down to fit it on the tea towel.
Sized it up, actually.
Oh, sized it up.
Yep.
Sorry, wrong way. And then we also have the tea towels online for you. And Val is using the 6x6 hoop at the moment, so we've just put that online for you as well. But it is super
Almost
cute.
finished. It's doing that pretty decorative edge that Kiwi does. Yeah, now that I think about it, maybe purple mug rugs aren't the best thing, but you know, it's Halloween.
Why
What
not?
can I say? They would look kind of weird in my house.
With how much blue you have?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I could get that.
But this is where your creative juices can run wild and you can do whatever you want.
Yep, nearly everyone left yesterday except for like one of my best friends and her family. And I put on the documentary, like The World's Worst Neighbor or something like that on Netflix. I fell asleep during it.
With your company there.
With
That
my
works
company
for
there.
me. All right. Looky here. Is she just not adorable?
Totes adorbs.
Totes adorbs. And everybody loved our personalized shirts at the anniversary event. They were our Facebook sayings.
I don't know if I'm sure that they did, but I'm not 100% sure because I wasn't involved with that. But I think they did a live video on
They
the
did,
day.
yeah.
And so did they talk about the shirts?
I think so, a little bit, but I just saw some of it.
Okay. So maybe if you guys haven't seen the shirts, you guys can comment and let us know if you want us to show you the shirts again.
I think Matt and Patrick, they did some
I think-
sort of
I think something,
a live,
yeah.
because I saw some orders for them this morning.
Oh, okay, cool. All
Yeah.
right.
Anyway, have a great day. Does Cindy have live tomorrow? Okay. Cindy's your girl tomorrow.
Yep. All right. Well, you
All
guys
right.
have a wonderful rest of your day.
Have a great one. Bye-bye.
Bye.